Bitgert and its native BRISE token experienced a breakout period in the first half of 2022. Still, they made significant progress as evidenced by the release of its blockchain mainnet, which added smart contracts and decentralized application dApp capabilities to the protocol. Since then, Bitgert has seen the launch of numerous dApps, ranging from decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, to non-fungible token, NFT, marketplaces. However, some concerns remain. The BRISE token has a high concentration of tokens in whale addresses, with the top 20 holders controlling nearly 90% of its total supply. This video will look at Bitgert and its native token BRISE. Watch the video till the end for the most recent Bitgert price prediction for 2022 and beyond to aid in your research. Starting with, what is Bitgert? Bitgert is a cryptocurrency network that claims to be a blockchain with no gas fees. Among the current offerings in the Bitgert ecosystem are a decentralized finance DeFi protocol called Net Finance, a non-fungible NFT marketplace called Midas NFT Marketplace, and decentralized exchange DEX called SPYNX Labs. Bitgert was initially launched on the Binance Smart Chain BSC and paid its rewards in Binance Coin BNB. According to Bitgert's roadmap, the project debuted in July 2021 with the launch of its website and the listing of its native BRISE token on Binance DEX, PancakeSwap. The project was originally known as BitRise, but it was renamed Bitgert in December 2021. Bitgert launched its native BRISE chain in February 2022, backed by the BRC20 smart contract, and the most significant development of the blockchain project to date. With the launch of its native blockchain network, developers can now build dApps on the Bitgert network. The BRISE chain relies on a proof of authority (POA) system to support short block times and low fees. In addition, the BRISE chain supports smart contracts and is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM). On the BRISE, developers can create new tokens, run full nodes to get real-time updates on transactions, blocks and consensus activities, and create wallets and tools for dApps. The launch of the network's incubation program, Bitgert Startup Studio, has played a significant role in the emergence of numerous projects on the BRISE chain. Bitgert Startup Studio assists developers and entrepreneurs in the creation of cryptocurrencies for their projects, allowing them to raise funds through private or public token sales. The program also provides marketing and technical assistance to projects launching on the BRISE chain. Several projects hosted on the BRISE chain are still in their early stages. Waferize, a passive income DeFi platform, plans to launch its product in the third quarter of 2022. The Open Vault NFT staking platform is expected to launch later this year. Let's dive into the advantages of Bitgert. Bitgert rapidly expanding ecosystem. The Bitgert blockchain will be one of the most difficult obstacles for Solana to overcome. The Bitgert BRC20 blockchain has surpassed Solana as the industry's fastest blockchain. Bitgert chain throughput is 100k TPS, while Solana throughput is 65k. Furthermore, the Solana gas fee is significantly higher than the Bitgert gas. Bitgert's gas fee is $0.0000001, which is hundreds of times less than Solana's. That is why Solana holders have been purchasing BRISE in recent days. The Bitgert ecosystem will likely grow faster than Ethereum. This is a look at how quickly the Bitgert roadmap will be delivered. Because of the rapidly expanding Bitgert ecosystem, the BRISE chain's adoption will be greater than Ethereum's. BRISE forecast is positive. The Bitgert coin, BRISE, is expected to increase 100 times this year and has been bullish since 2022. Based on upcoming Bitgert developments, the same is expected for the second half of this year. This means that Bitgert will be purchased by Ethereum holders as well. Unfortunately, Ethereum's prospects are not as bright as Bitgert's. Furthermore, Bitgert's collaboration with CentSex has attracted Ethereum investors. The BRISE ecosystem may grow faster than Ethereum as the CentSex team develops Bitgert products and projects. So these are the main reasons why BRISE coin may outperform Ethereum. The roadmap is delivered quickly. Another reason Ethereum is losing traction to Bitgert is the faster delivery of the Bitgert roadmap. Bitgert is currently delivering the Roadmap v2, which has a very short delivery timeline. However, the rapid delivery means massive adoption of BRISE chain comparing Ethereum. BRC20 blockchain is extremely powerful. One of the reasons it has surpassed Ethereum as the best crypto investment is the powerful Bitgert BRC20 blockchain. With 100k TPS, the BRISE blockchain is more scalable than Ethereum. However, the zero gas fee blockchain will propel Bitgert past Ethereum as the best investment. The BRC20 chain gas fee is $0.0000001, the industry's lowest gas fee. This means that the Bitgert chain will be more widely used than Ethereum, providing a better investment opportunity. Massive Bitgert utility. The Bitgert team is working on a more powerful utility than Solana. The BRISE bridge is a critical component of expanding the utility. Apart from massive interoperability, the Bitgert chain also integrates the top 10 cryptocurrencies. The recent launched USDT to USDC bridge is also a significant factor in BRISE utility becoming larger than Solana. More products are on the way that are expected to increase BRISE's utility. These are the three major differences between Bitgert and Solana. However, these are the same reasons why BRISE may outperform Solana. What about the price performance of the BRISE token? According to CoinMarketCap, Bitgert's native token, BRISE, was the 2,808th largest cryptocurrency as of writing, with a market cap of more than $157 million. Furthermore, BRISE's historical price analysis revealed that the token had increased by about 100% from around $0.0000035640 in late July 2021 to its current price of around $0.000003648. However, BRISE has been on a downward trend since reaching an all-time high of $0.000000404 on the 13th of August 2021. The token has fallen by more than 90% from its all-time highs. Recently, the price has fallen along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, dropping more than 40% in the last 60 days. However, BRISE's recent decline has not prevented it from posting positive returns in 2022. The token has gained about 19% year to date. According to short-term technical analysis, BRISE was trading below its 50 and 100-day simple moving averages, indicating a downward trend. According to CoinCodex data, BRISE's relative strength index, RSI, was 45.83. When, how, and where should you buy it? Binance is constantly reviewing and adding new cryptocurrencies to the Binance platform. If you want to buy Bitgert, which is currently not listed on Binance, follow the instructions below. It will walk you through the process of purchasing Bitgert by connecting your crypto wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, and using your Binance account to purchase the base currency. Firstly, install the Binance wallet. Within the BNB chain network, there are several crypto wallets to choose from, with Binance appearing to be the most integrated. Download Google Chrome and the Wallet Chrome extension if you use a desktop computer. If you prefer to use your phone, you can download the wallet from Google Play or the iOS App Store if it is available. Ensure that you download the official Chrome extension and mobile app from Binance's website. Set up your Binance account and the cryptocurrency wallet using the wallet's Google Chrome extension or the mobile app you downloaded in step 1. You can find more information on the wallet support page. Make a note of your wallet address and keep your seed phrase safe. Purchase the BNB chain as your base currency. Once your wallet is ready, log into your Binance account and go to the Buy and Sell Crypto page to purchase the BNB chain. Send Binance chain to your crypto wallet. After purchasing your BNB chain, navigate to your Binance wallet section and search for the BNB chain you purchased. Next, click Withdraw and enter the necessary information. Set the network to BNB chain, then enter your wallet address and the amount to be transferred. Wait for the BNB chain to appear in Binance after clicking the Withdraw button. Then select a decentralized exchange, DEX, from numerous of them. Simply ensure that the exchange supports the wallet you chose in step 2. Link your wallet and then exchange your BNB chain for the coin you want. Next, find Bitgert's smart contract if it does not appear. Bitgert's future plans. Bitgert announced in early April that the network would use Web3 geodata maps to provide crowdsourced maps and decentralized location services to dApps and Web3 oracles to connect off-chain data to blockchains in real time. Bitgert will also create decentralized marketplaces and Pay BRISE, a payment app accepting BRISE payments. Between the second and fourth quarters of 2022, Bitgert will work on a decentralized virtual private network, or VPN, that will allow users to surf the internet with complete privacy and security. It has also announced plans to develop a decentralized freelancer market for peer-to-peer service hiring using on-chain cryptocurrency payment systems. Let us know your views about investing in Bitgert coin in the comments below. Then make sure to subscribe for more.